Welcome back to the channel. It's October 11th, 2025, and today we're covering the latest update on Soundhound AI, ticker symbol Soun. Soundhound AI closed recently at $17.36, down about 6.5% from the previous close of $18.58. The stock traded between $17.33 and $19.21 today, showing some volatility amid profit-taking after recent strong gains. Soun has been one of the top performers this year, soaring over 295% year-to-date, driven by growing adoption of its voice AI and natural language technologies. The company is making strategic moves like forming partnerships with firms such as French insurer Hydra, integrating its AI tech into customer service and contact centers to improve user experience. However, earnings remain negative with an EPS of about -68 and a price-to-earnings ratio of -25.5 due to continued investments in growth. Analysts are bullish on Soun, with a majority recommending buy or strong buy ratings and price targets ranging between $12 and $18. For trading strategy, look for buying opportunities near the 50-day moving average, around $14.75. Buying on dips near this support with stops slightly below $14 can help manage risk. If Soun holds this level, a rebound to recent highs near $19 and potentially $20 could be expected. Swing traders should be cautious during volatility spikes and watch volume for confirmation. Given the company's growth phase, long-term investors might want to focus on the expansion of AI partnerships and upcoming earnings due November 6th. That's your Soun stock update and trading plan for October 11th, 2025. Like and subscribe for more market insights and trade smart out there. Thanks for watching.